Hi, I'm Tim. I'm with Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air. All air conditioning systems require routine maintenance. In fact, over 50% of all air conditioning systems that we replace could have been prevented with routine maintenance. Regular maintenance equals a clean system, and a clean running system can save you up to $32 a month. That's over $300 a year. For more information on lowering your cooling bills and extending the lifespan of your air conditioner, visit our website at crystalblueplumbing.com or call us anytime at 916-577-5020. And remember, if your spouse is hot, buy them a brand new air conditioner from Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air, because we really do care.